It's really important to take the time for leaders, those of us who are working very hard in the community, to take a little breather and then give us tools to be our best selves, to be able to be those leaders and be the best for ourselves, because it's really hard work. I'm really excited about the tools that we have gotten here. I just love the fact that we're connecting on like the human interaction level, because we're always on our phones and we're always working, calling. Just being able to be in a space where we're able to do some hard work, have fun, be outdoors, and just really just talk and connect is important. And I'm excited to go back to my teams and bring that, because we should know the people that we're working with. If you're a leader in the community, or you're feeling stuck in your position, or not feeling good about your career, I think you should definitely do it, and you'll gain some clarity in where you are and where you're going and what you need to work on.